Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy's 99 to 06 Silverado 1500. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 3. With a 21mm socket and wrench, disconnect your shock to allow the leaf spring to flex. Next, begin removing your spring hanger by prying off its rivets. Step 4. Begin cleaning your work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 5. Replace the part using C-clamps and begin installing the included hardware. This will ensure the proper alignment and weld fitment. Step 6. Begin welding the part to the frame. Followed by reinstalling your spring hanger with the included hardware. And you're done.